Just look at all this money I've made by running thousands of meme coins, and I'm gonna show you guys a step-by-step on how to exactly do the same thing as I do and print thousands daily. I'm even gonna be dropping some more sauce on a website, and this method requires no past experience, no coding skills, and it's fully repeatable. So stick around and listen to what I got to say, because this shit is about to go crazy. Now, most of you probably clicking this video are probably into trading meme coins, but let me tell you something right now. All of these coins that you see right here are all gonna end at zero and only a couple of coins. Take a look at this coin, for example, that I just found. For you traders out there, all looked good, right? The price going up, but then out of nowhere, the creator rugged the coin and walked away with potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars. The reality is that you guys need to stop buying meme coins and start making them. The thing you guys have to realize is that making the meme coins is so much more profitable than trading them. The way you guys are going to make the meme coins is on a website called launchnow.fun. This is one of the best websites to create your coins. It requires no coding. It launches your coin in seconds. Now, if we take a look at the features on this website, first of all, when entering this website, you guys will want to select a wallet and connect it, preferably Phantom. If you're lazy like me and want to make a couple bands quickly, I suggest clicking the Copy Trending Coins tab. So for example, if we look at a coin that's doing well, now if you take a look at this tab, most of these coins are brand new and are doing extremely well. For example, if we refresh the list, see for example Satoshi Masco last bought 18 seconds ago. Preferably get a coin that is 10 seconds below. To increase your odds of making money, try to find a coin that has buyer in the past 10 seconds because it ensures that your coin is actually relevant. So we're gonna just try to find a coin that looks semi-decent, and I'm just gonna refresh the list trying to find a coin that has a buyer in the last 10 seconds. It does not look like I can find one. We're gonna go on new tokens. Yeah, nah, it's tough. Hold on. So I found a coin. It's called YouTube Cat. We're gonna try to copy trade it, but first of all, we need to connect our wallet. So I'm gonna connect it right now. Alright, so I just found a coin called Care Bears. What we're gonna do, so I just found a coin. It's called Care Bears. And this one would be an amazing, but you guys get the gist. That was the copy trending coins. Now if we actually want to create a coin, all we have to do is find the token name and the token symbol and a token image. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go on X and I'm legit just gonna scroll for a couple seconds, try to find something that. Alright, so I just found a video of protesters standing in traffic and getting ran over apparently. And as you can see, it has 6.4 million views. So what that means is that we have a lot of attention on this video. 52,000 likes and 13,000 comments. This will surely print. So the first step is I'm gonna snipping tool. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Alright, I'm gonna save it. Then you have to put it inside the website. We're gonna name it Crazy Protest. For the token symbol, just write whatever. I usually write the initials, so in this case it would be CP. That's just a coincidence. For the token decimals and total supply, keep it at what it is originally, so 1 billion. Then for the token description, write a quick little summary of what your coin is. So protest. I'm just going really fast. For the token description, just write something that summarizes your meme coin. So for me, it would be a crazy protest. Next, here it would be important to put the Twitter link to the video on the coin so people can actually go and see it, and it makes it look more legit. And if your subject is actually pretty serious, consider making a Telegram for it with people who actually support the coin, and maybe even a Discord. For these options, keep them all selected, and you should be good to go. Make your coin look more legit. Then all you have to do is create the token. That's all I got for you guys today. See you in the next one. Peace.